Hey everyone! Welcome back to the channel. It's so good to have you here. Today, I'm going to draw something fun and creative. Can you guess what it will be before I finish? Keep watching and see if you get it right by the end. Let's make this a fun little guessing game. Trust me, the results can be pretty cool. I'll guide you through every step, so don't worry if you're new to this. Alright, here's a crazy idea. I'll try to finish this entire drawing in under 3 minutes. Can I pull it off? Let's find out together. For this drawing, I decided to keep it simple but striking. I used just 2 colors to create the entire piece, one dark and one fiery. I love how a limited palette can challenge your creativity and focus. Instead of thinking about too many details, you get to concentrate on the structure and the energy of the piece. When I chose these colors, they reminded me of strength and motion. Here's exactly how I did it. Start with the main shape. I began by sketching the body of the design, making sure the proportions were on point. This step is crucial for setting the foundation. Next, I outlined the main form to give it a sharp and defined look. Add a fiery touch finally. I brought in a striking detail at the end that gives the piece its energy and movement. The idea for this drawing came to me while I was watching a documentary about space exploration. There's something so inspiring about imagining what's out there in the universe. Black and red always remind me of power and movement. It's like they're telling a story about energy and strength. So, were you able to guess what I was drawing? It's a rocket soaring through space, with a fiery red trail behind it. Rockets are always such an inspiring subject to draw. They're all about imagination and adventure. I hope this inspired you to try drawing. Let me know in the comments what you'd like me to draw next. Thanks so much for watching. I'll catch you in the next video. See ya!